Alright, working on the running boards on the 56 Ford here. We had these here, but obviously they're just some cheap running boards, aftermarket, but they were smooth, but they just aren't going to work for what we're doing. We want to do some more radius and actually do a radius on the running board to follow the cab. And this is actually like an inside piece. The cab itself is curved, so you can obviously see this one's straight, so underneath it doesn't look quite right. So we're going to put a radius in it, radius these corners, and then obviously we'll have to make the outside corners. But then this way, this line actually follows the cab too. So it'll just look a lot more shapely, and not so much stock. Should be pretty cool. It's a lot of work, but it really makes them look nice. We've done some on Kingpin too. They were super nice, so it ought to be fun. Ow. Get out of here, Tim. We gotta go to work, man.
That was great.
And we also got to cut these off a little bit because we're going to be shortening them up. These come all the way out to the end of that one where ours is going to be curving in. So,
And trim them back.
yeah, just cut them back. That way I can get the running board in as far as it needs to go. Getting ready to tear up some shit.
Shit. No going back now. Get the sawzall out.
Need some power over here. Yeah, I'm just looking at my line.
So that blue line you drew down there, that would be the new arch? The new arc?
Well, now that I'm looking at it now, because it's off.
But that's the idea.
That's the idea, yeah.
You're trying to follow the shape of the cab?
Yeah. If you look straight down on it, you can see it's like gets too close right here.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see in camera.
Yeah.
There you go. You can kind of see the body there.
So it almost needs to be in more a little bit here. I have to cut this.
The hell was that building? I don't think it looked bad. I was just afraid it was too far right here.
But I mean, if it goes in like that a little more, then is that following the cab at the door more? You follow me?
Yeah, it looks like it's too tight there now from my angle. Here, I'll hold it. Go on that back.
Yeah. It looks. Well, I mean, it's got a bow more.
I know, but it's tight right here.
Yeah, I mean, not that far, I guess. Yeah, you're right. Like, maybe right there. It's just, I'm gonna have to cut this, I guess. That way I can put it in there all the way in. Gotta. Rudimentary. I got too many lines going now. I'm gonna have to erase stuff.
Which line you cutting? The first one or the fifth one? Oh, is this what you were talking about? You're gonna weld it to the table so it doesn't walk on you?
Yeah.
Weld that edge.
Yeah. Pain in the butt. Tack it on the end. Gauge. Who is it, your mama? So we did a little bit of shrinking on this top edge. Now we got to stretch the bottom edge to catch it up. Monday, man. My man needs sugar and you're turning the radio off.
I'm all the sugar you need, baby.
He's wound up today. You don't know. Oh, that looks nice.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more build videos like this, help us out by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. And it's a little thing to do, but don't forget to turn on those notifications. If you want to buy merch, go to store.classiccarstudio.com. See you next time.